I'm going to test which mode is look cinematic, and I'm going to test them 6 of them, and let's go to the video.
Phew, Cell Drone Lab.
Mode, as you can see, it will the drone will follow wherever you go, as I will show. Okay, this is the follow mode. Now it will start following me. Now I am go. It is very accurate. Now it is turning. No, okay, it is stop. Now I'm turning. Oh, it didn't detect me. Okay, I now detected. Now it's coming. Okay, don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel. Okay, now coming. Okay, now the second mode is the drone will take off and go like this. As you can see, it will go like this, and this Dronie, and you can see the video. The next mode is circle. In this mode, the drone will go around you, and it will take a video very soon. Okay, look the circle mode how looks. Next mode is rocket. In this mode, the drone will take you and it will go straight up until the limit. I have set it to the display, and this is the take another video, and let's go.
This is air traffic control. You're cleared for takeoff.
Flight attendants, prepare for takeoff, please.
Next mode is spotlight. Spotlight is the drone will take off and it will hover in one place while tracking you. It won't follow you. It will take off and stay exactly at that same point, and it will track you with the camera while rotating and tracking with the camera. Let's. Let's go to the next mode. Next mode is the custom button. In this mode, you can customly add a button. I have set it to direction track. You can add also Helix, Boomerang, like that also. Now let's talk about the direction track. Okay, direction track means the drone will take off and it will go a little bit far away, and it will I will show you demonstration. It will take off and go behind, and if I go left, it will also come left. If I go right, it will also go right. And if I move back, it will also come back. If I move forward, it also move forward. This is how direction track works. And Boomerang works completely different. If you need the Boomerang tutorial, comment me Boomerang and I will bring you soon Boomerang tutorial. And if you need the Helix also, you can comment also that video. So I will bring. Don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel, and if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe and click that bell icon to get more notifications, and I will see you in the next one.